Hey Feds, here's another great question that was asked in one of our workshops. It was, do they take the FEHB premiums out of your pension in retirement? And the answer is kind of. In the long run, yes, they do. But right at front, it's not quite that way. And here's one thing you got to be careful of. Do they take it out? Yes, they do more of a kind of a lump sum each month. They kind of guesstimate, say, okay, we're going to do this and take that out. And it gets figured out later once they give you your full retirement during the interim period. But another thing you need to figure out, okay, you could just assume if you wanted to, oh, they take out my premiums. Okay, well then they take out my dental and vision, right? No, they don't. What about state taxes? No, they don't do that either. What else? How does that work? What you mean? Things don't get pulled out of my pension? Well, what part of your pension? Your interim pension or your full pension? They're different. I wish it was straightforward, but it's not. Come learn about what gets pulled out when and how to mitigate it and how to make sure that you have the cash flow coming when you need it. Because can you just pull out of your TSP? No. I hate to say that, but when you retire from your work, can you pull up from your TSP right away? No, it's not like you think. Come to our workshop and learn more.